Hey, welcome. Vlog 4 of 5, and if you've been tracking with us so far, you'll know that we've unpacked who we are, unpacked why we're doing these vlogs, we've unpacked why we perhaps need a thing called Refuel in our midst, and we've unpacked the big question about what Refuel 19 could look like. So we trust in those vlogs we've demonstrated our passion for unity, first and foremost, and what that could look like. In this fourth vlog, we're going to be looking at the question of what are the outcomes and the purposes of unity and Refuel.
I think it's really clear in the Bible that we're all meant to work together as a one body, and I think if we do that, then we'll see greater breakthrough in the kingdom. We get to see a greater breakthrough of the supernatural power of God in this land.
And I think some of the outcomes we are praying for is just a greater acceptance of our differences across the nation, a greater communication between believers of this nation, and clearly, as we said earlier, a greater witness to the non-believing population of Scotland of what the church looks like. To some, on looking in at us, it doesn't look good. We look quite divided, and I think we've got a long way to go. So we've been told it can't be done. We believe the outcomes are there to be had. We believe they are achievable as people gather in this way and get inspired and just get to know each other, and as I say, to celebrate our differences and really communicate in a way that perhaps has not been done before. And that can only happen when we meet. Jesus is all about relationship, and unity has been preached about a lot since beginning, forever. And I think that getting people to meet together will inevitably and naturally foster greater relationship and unity. So that, folks, is our anticipated outcome. Can we do it?